Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of alkaline water with a product that's making waves: Alkazone's Alkaline Booster Drops. Now, let me tell you, folks, these drops are not your average water enhancer. First off, let's talk about what sets Alkazone apart. These drops are formulated with essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Not only do they help balance acidity in the body, but they also work wonders for your immune system. By simply adding 3 to 4 drops to a glass of water, you can easily elevate your water's pH level to a whopping 9.5 or higher. That's alkalinity at its finest, my friends. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. Claire Baxter says, "Love this for my low sodium and electrolytes." And Mary adds, "I have severe interstitial cystitis, and any acid is very harmful to my bladder. I believe this product helps me and makes my diet less monotonous." Now, one of the things I love most about Alkazone is how easy it is to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're at home or on the go, these drops are colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Simply add them to your water, juice, or any beverage of your choice, and you're good to go. No fuss, no mess. And let's talk value, folks. With each pack making up to 20 gallons of alkaline water, you're getting bang for your buck. Plus, with over 200 servings per pack, you're set for months. But wait, there's more. These drops aren't just for water. As Amazon customer Mary mentioned, they can be used in various beverages and even soups or stews. So, there you have it, folks. If you're looking to boost your hydration game and support your body's natural pH balance, Alkazone's Alkaline Booster Drops are the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on products that'll change your life. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay healthy.